Did you know that you can influence how your police service works through your elected Police and Crime Commissioner? They are your voice in policing. Your Police and Crime Commissioner is elected by you. They act as a bridge between you and your local police service. The role of the Police and Crime Commissioner is to be the voice of the people and hold the Chief Constable to account. Every police force in England and Wales is held to account by a Police and Crime Commissioner, or in some areas by the Mayor. Their responsibilities include setting the police budget and the police priorities, which are published in their Police and Crime Plan. They also appoint the Chief Constable. The Chief Constable is responsible for making all operational policing decisions, with the PCC providing strategic oversight to ensure progress is made against local priorities. This includes allocating funding from central government and your contribution to policing from council tax. Ultimately, PCCs are answerable to you. Police and Crime Commissioners are helping to improve the local criminal justice system to support victims of crime and reduce reoffending. They work closely with local councils, health services and voluntary and community groups to deliver a joined-up approach to community safety, preventing and reducing crime. PCCs have a major role commissioning and funding victim services that you can access to help you cope and recover if you have been a victim of crime. PCCs also help local emergency services, including police, fire and rescue and ambulance services, to work together more closely. In parts of England, they are also responsible for how local fire and rescue services are run. Find out more about PCCs by visiting the PCC website.